What's going on, guys? So we are out in front of what is going to be the new shop. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to give you guys a tour as I kind of roll in here. I'm coming in to make some measurements and kind of get a plan together of how I want to lay it out. I'm going to paint it. We'll figure it out. I'll explain it as we go, but yeah, let's check it out. All right, so I snuck in here, brought the family down to show them, flipped on the lights, but my kiddo's here with me and checking out the new shop. So a lot bigger than the garage that I've been working in, which I'm pretty excited about. I think I could fit, if I was just jamming this full, I could fit 6 vehicles in here, but that's not really the plan. Plenty of 110 outlets on the wall. I think there's 5 as far as welding and stuff like that's concerned, you know, because I've just got the little 110 MIG for now. And then I've got a 220 outlet, which is fantastic. So I can set up for the air compressor. Big thing, if you guys know, cold weather in the winter, a heater is a must. So plenty of room to hang banners on the walls in here, and yeah, try and figure out what the plan is. I don't know whether I want to paint. You guys drop a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see it painted. But I think for now, I might just start moving stuff in here and kind of getting it all set up. And yeah, so I'm thinking toolbox in this corner, compressor, and then down this whole wall, do all my metal tools. So bead roller, brake, English wheel, shrinker stretcher, shear, you know, all the goodies. Whatever I've got, we're gonna go along this wall. And then I'll stash the Bronco, I think, over here. And then probably bring in the next project, which you guys, I think, will really enjoy as soon as the highboy is done. I think I'm gonna finish the highboy at the house. Maybe I might do the bed down here and then do the assembly work at the house. We'll see, you know, as time kind of comes on. So like I said, we'll figure it out as we go and what kind of is gonna go into here, but plenty of space, super excited. Can't wait to share the next project with you. Gonna, like I said, finish the highboy at the house. Maybe I'll do the bed work and the paint and stuff like that down here in this clean space, and then do the assembly home, or I'll drive the highboy down here and put the bed on down here. Just gonna figure it out as we go. So I get to move in here on Saturday. I'm super, super excited. Can't wait to share this all with you guys and kind of take you along for the ride. So little buddy is excited to come down and help dad at the shop, and we're gonna have some fun. So thank you guys, appreciate you watching. Hit the subscribe button if you guys wanna follow along with this journey. Gonna try and come up with a fun name for the new shop, for the workspace. So anyway, hope to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.